Hello and welcome to this fine edition of This Is Going to Be Your Pre-Owned Motor Car. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2018 Jeep Wrangler, white in color, 4x4. Check it out. So here she is. This is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. Excellent tires on it, nice and aggressive. Spare tire is brand new. Hard top. Classic black interior for the Wrangler. Lots of space in the back for all your stuff. Super aggressive tires. 58,425 miles. Removable T-tops. And this does come equipped with your power locks, windows, cruise control, tilt wheel, and automatic transmission with a 4x4. If you would like to know more about this vehicle, please give us a call here at the dealership. My name is Rhino. You can reach us here at 808-334-1111. And my cell phone number is 808-437-3355. Have yourself a great day, and thank you for watching the video.